Disclaimer, I am also reviewing small-owned businesses as well as black-owned businesses.
This is an unboxing video, by the way. It's unboxing a black-owned business and reviewing some products that I've gotten from some black-owned businesses as myself. Okay, or like myself, okay? So first, we have, and I am so excited because this is going to actually help me. Hopefully, I think it's going to help me. But these are sprays. But I guess it's from influencings.com. And one of the sprays is called Peak. It is called a dietary supplement. This is Deer Antler Velvet Plus Antioxidants. It improves general health, boosts immune system, supports anti-aging, supports healthy libido, helps enhance performance. So basically the instructions are to, this has deer antler in it. Go for you. Spray 6 sprays into mouth and swallow. Oh, I hope it's not nasty. But okay, that's to help with dietary. We have Trim 365 dietary supplement as well. This has Garcinia cambogia, helps curb appetite, supports fat burning, supports a healthy metabolism, which I definitely need. It also says to shake well, spray 6 times in mouth and swallow, use 3 times per day and as desired. Okay, and then we also have Shield, which is another dietary supplement, but it has alkaline, it has an alkaline formula in it with coral calcium. This supports healthy immune system, increases energy levels, which I do need, it helps to balance the pH levels and helps maintain cardiovascular health, which I definitely need as well. This has coral calcium, ionic minerals, chlorella, aloe vera, something. This is has been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. It says, looking to protect your body. Shield is alkaline formula with coral calcium that will help balance the pH levels in your body. Use Shield daily for supporting a healthy immune system and improving overall wellness. So I'm going to try these sprays today. I don't know if we're not supposed to combine them, but I'm definitely going to try them. I hope they are not nasty. I hope they are not nasty. They probably will be. I hope they are not, okay? Because I hope they're not nasty. But I'm basically trying to lose weight, and the sprays are basically going to help me become more healthier and lose. So I don't know when I will see the results, but I am very excited. Oh, and let me show y'all before I spray these in my mouth. They came in this little box. And I'm going to show y'all what else I got from this company called Itgirlminks. She gave, I got some Balm lip gloss from her. And y'all know I love lip gloss. It's actually a lip pumper. And has the little wand. But it smells like mint, and I just put it on my lips, and it has like some shimmer and glitter in it. It does tingle. That's why that's tingling on my lips. We're gonna also open what we have. Some earrings. She also gave me this as a free gift. So she gives the earrings out with each sale. I can't get it open, but I love earrings. I usually like studs more, but these are cute, so I'm gonna definitely be wearing these. Actually, I'm gonna put them on for this video. I have some earrings, and see, guys, I love studs. They're just like regular earrings, something like you would get from like Charlotte Russe or something like that, but I like them. They're very, 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 they move. I thought they were going to be like very stiff, but they move. Wear them with an outfit. Okay? And I got a bun too. Definitely need some hoops. Okay. And I'm not naked, y'all, I promise. Alright, so after that, we are going to review these sprays. Now, I opened the shake well. I opened the alkaline formula with coral calcium first. So this is the one I'm gonna spray, and it said 6 times, spray 6 times and swallow. So we're gonna spray this directly in our mouth, okay? Who's scared? Okay. What that was, 4 or 3? 3. Y'all, it's good. It does not taste nasty at all. This is good. Let's smell it. This one don't taste bad either. Okay, that's one. They don't taste bad. They don't taste bad at all, y'all. Okay, and this one is Trim 365, which is what I need. Curb that metabolism. Period, okay? Woo! Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. Like, I don't know. Okay. This is my least favorite. This is the least favorite right here. Okay. That was one spray. One. Oh! Oh! This is my least favorite. Oh! Did I shake this up? Maybe that's why. I don't think I shook this one up. Oh. Cut. That was my least, that one was called, Trim 365. Oh. This is my least favorite. Oh. That makes me want to go drink. Oh. That makes me want to go drink stuff. Drink something. Oh my gosh, that was nasty. Oh, that was, oh. That one was nasty. Yeah, that was nasty, y'all. Ugh. So, I will link her information down below. But, yes, I got these 3 sprays. These 2 were good, but this one, I don't know. I was supposed to shake it up. I don't know. But I'm not feeling Trim 365. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna sugarcoat. You know, they're not bad. They are not bad at all. What is my honest opinion on them? So they're not nasty, and I don't know. They don't really have an aftertaste, but I'm not sure I want these sitting in my mouth. Like, I don't want the taste sitting in my mouth. So I would probably like drink some water or drink something to get the taste out of my mouth or whatnot. But that's about it. I really had I'm gonna keep using these. Like, I'm trying to use these every day, just so I can see like the difference, see if I see a difference, or whatever. Like, yeah, so I'm not really good with reviews. But I wonder why they put it in a, you know what, whatever, it is what it is. I did it, y'all. I reviewed those sprays. That last one fucked me up. Like, oh, yeah. Oh yeah, that last one messed me up real bad, y'all, for real. But yes, that okay, so I am back because I forgot to tell y'all how I feel about the gloss. So as I said before, I love the gloss. Now I know I have this little pimple or whatever that I tried to pop. Well, I did pop it and it turned into a disaster. So I'm just trying to show y'all my lips a little bit better. Y'all can't see, but this has a high shine. Excuse me, did give my lips a little plumpness, so we're gonna do like that so y'all don't have to see my shit. It did give my lips some plumpness, as far as I can tell. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can tell. It does not tingle too much. I did have a gloss on before I put this on, but the gloss was like wearing off. So that's probably why it's not as tingly, because when I put it on by itself, it's very tingly. But like I said, I do not mind, because the purpose of it is for it to plump your lips. So of course it's gonna do something. So I'm glad that this tingles. That means it's working. Other than that, her customer service is very good. She was sick when I seen her, so she couldn't find her labels and stuff like that, but that's neither here or there. I still love her. I still support her 100%. I love these earrings. I love how they look on me. They are growing on me. I probably will wear these with an outfit. Other than that, I think I'm done with this video. So again, her name is, for the gloss and the earrings, her name is Itgirlminks. For the 3 sprays, I will have to link her information. It's called affluenting.com, but I don't think that's the right one, so I will have to, oh no, it is called Affluenting's Business Specialist. I think that's her name. I don't know. I'm gonna have to link all of the stuff down below, because yeah, I'm gonna have to link everything down below just to make sure I'm saying the names right, or giving y'all the correct information. My final opinion on the sprays, that once the shrimp 365, that taste did go out my mouth. I have not drunk anything, have not ate anything. It did go away eventually. Make sure you guys shake these sprays before you spray them. Now the other 2, they have like a citrus taste to them. They were good or whatever. I could do this every day. I really don't mind. I am gonna be back showing y'all, you know, matter of fact, let me see, I can't even show y'all, like, maybe I'll insert a picture of my size now. I don't know. I probably won't. I don't know. But I am gonna see, like, I'm gonna tell y'all, you know, what's the difference, what I see. Do I feel like I am losing weight? Do I feel like I feel healthier? Like, all that good stuff. And I think that is it for us, you guys. I'll probably be back on here later doing my makeup or something. I just want to get some videos out and show y'all that I am dedicated this time around. So like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye babes.